Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to store pop-up video ads on Android phone. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Most times when you see pop-up video ads on your Android phone, it means you've downloaded some of these applications you see online, most especially on Facebook. So if you want to remove the pop-up video ads, all you need to do is go ahead and open the settings on your phone. On the settings, scroll down, locate and click on apps. Then here you have access to all the applications you have installed on your Android phone. Now this is what you need to do. Search through and identify the last application you downloaded and installed on your Android phone, or find the application you don't know much about from the list. Once you find the application you cannot identify or know much about from the list, just go ahead and click on the application. Once you click on it, locate and find the uninstall button on the application. Click on it to uninstall it, and then if you see that says, do you want to uninstall this application? Go ahead and click on OK. Once you uninstall the application, then this is going to stop the pop-up video ads on your phone. That is one of the ways you need to take to remove pop-up video ads. Again, you may want to go to the Google Play Store, click on Profile at the top right, click on Play Protect, and then if there is any malicious application on your phone, this is going to identify them. And if it doesn't, what you need to do is go ahead and click on Scan. And you see scanning. Once the process is completed, if there is any malicious app on your phone, this is going to identify it, and then you just need to go ahead, identify the application, right on the Google Play Store, and then uninstall it. If you want to do this automatically, go ahead and click on Settings at the top right. So just go ahead and turn on Scan App with Play Protect. So if this is turned off, like this, just go ahead and turn it on. So you can also turn this off if you want, and after that you are good. So that is basically how to store pop-up video ads on Android phone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.